What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and I'm back with yet another what to buy at Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and get started. So today we're mostly going to be focusing on all the amazing stickers, stationery, planner stickers, and notebooks that Dollar Tree has to offer. I'll be sharing some items with you from my collection. Some are available right now. Others are items that I've purchased over the past few months. So this should give you guys some real motivation to stay loyal to Dollar Tree and to stay loyal to heading to Dollar Tree every week when you run out. I like to make it one of my first stops because so many things that I find at Dollar Tree, I'm paying like $4 and $5 elsewhere. So it really pays to look at Dollar Tree first. I just want to show you guys some of my favorite stickers that I've gotten at Dollar Tree here lately. I really love all of these shaker stickers. I think they're just so pretty. And you can find things like this at Michael's for usually about $5 or $4 a pack. These have little sequins in them, and I just love them so much. Here's a duplicate because I really loved this pack. We have some donut stickers. I'm not showing you guys my entire sticker collection, but I am going to show you some of my favorites. They even have unicorn stickers. And again, this is another duplicate. Let's look at a few notebooks and then we're going to go back to looking at more stickers, you guys, because I probably have stickers more than anything in this video. I really urge you guys to look at Dollar Tree if you're a sticker lover, if you need stickers for your planner layouts, or if you just love decorating things with stickers. But here is a really pretty notebook that was part of the new collection with the pink puffy elephant and the really pretty pink stickers that we all fell in love with. You guys know I love this notebook because it has cactus on it and it is a hardback, which is really nice, and this is by Jot. I love that it also has the pattern on the back. And here's one of my recent finds. I love that it has a belly band and that it just looks so cute. It really looks cute, and it's just so great that we can get these items for just $1. This was a little 3-pack. I believe these were by Jot as well. I really love the fox. It's just basic lined paper. And another cute belly band notebook. It's just so pretty. Even a fuzzy notebook, you guys. They had one in stripes. They had butterflies, and then they have the hearts, and it is just so cute. Of course, I got this one, you guys. This is, again, another 4-pack, and the notebooks are pretty flimsy, but I still think they're really cute. Look at that beautiful one. Let's look at more stickers. Here are some stickers that have water and little metallic, like star confetti inside. Sentiment stickers, and you get 134. This is one that I recently purchased, and I think they are so pretty. Even prettier in person, you guys. They have a really nice iridescent shimmer on them. I think Dollar Tree has really nice tiny stickers too. These hearts, little puffy stickers, sparkle stickers. Jot, good old Jot. They have some amazing stickers. These are so pretty. Boho stickers. I really love this set. I think it's so gorgeous. Again, it has the iridescent shimmer on it. More from Jot. I really love this one. It's so beachy and pretty. Jot knows how to do a good sticker. Dance. So girly and pink. And then we have this juvenile one. I figured this one would be really nice if I make a little book for Gator. These were the stickers I was referring to from the Hello Stationery collection. And I actually have the stationery. I have all of the stationery from that collection. This says Happy Thoughts. take notes or take note, the little pocket notepad, and we have the pineapple. Dollar Tree always has calendars. Recently I found this page-a-day calendar. It's a full-size page-a-day calendar, and I was really surprised to see it there. They have tons and tons of thank you notes, invitations, and most of them are by Tender Thoughts and usually retail for around $3.25. This is one of my favorite packs that I got in a friend mail. I really love the ice creams. Of course, I love them because they're so cute and kawaii. And again, we have that pretty green background. And of course, they have sticky notes, and I really liked these because they were laser cut. They say to do, urgent, and approve, and I don't see these very often, but I love that they have sticky notes there as well. And next from Jot, we even have some planner stickers, and we get 3 sheets of stickers, and they say things like make today great, make a plan, best day ever, have fun, get stuff done, me time, date night. 3 sheets for just $1. And from time to time, they even offer the little tiny sticky notes that we can use in our planners. They have them in hearts. They have them in all sorts of other shapes. They even have some that you can write on. You get 100 in here. They're super tiny. They have arrows. They have a variety of these from time to time. To anyone that has a planner that you're trying to maintain, if you're trying to keep up with your weekly layouts, you guys know that planner stickers can be a little pricey. I really love this set here. You get 49 stickers. This one is so pretty. My Dollar Tree still has a variety of planner stickers, not this one in particular, but this was one of my favorites. I have a couple others to share with you guys as well. I just want to give you guys an idea of what sort of planner stickers you can find. I really love the green and the navy and the peach. I think it's so pretty. And then we have this one. Here's the front. This one's a little more plain and basic, but I still think it's nice. And then we have one that's a little larger. The layout is a little larger. And again, these are pretty simple. They're by Jot. You get a total of 40 stickers, but I really do like the pinks and the greens here. And then one more set of planner stickers to share with you guys. I really love the brown background, even though it won't be used. I just think it's a really nice display. A really great deal for just $1. You just can't go wrong. Did you guys know that Dollar Tree even carries name brand stickers? Out of all my years of shopping at Dollar Tree, I think this is the first time ever that I've seen so many name brand stickers. This is one of my favorite packs. This is a pack of Amy Tangerine stickers, and you get 65 pieces. If you guys go to Tuesday Morning, or if you go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby, Amy Tangerine stickers are going to cost you more than $1. And I really, really love her style, and I love the colors that she uses. Here's another pack, and it's also by American Crafts. Amy Tangerine's line is by American Crafts, as well as Studio Calico. I really love the clouds. I love the font used right here. We even get some alphas in the front. And on the back we get cute little tabs and cute little, just more alphas, numbers, you and love and smile. They're so cute. Now this pack, also by American Crafts, is from the Hazelwood One Canoe 2 line, and I really love this light color of purple. I love that we have some foiled shapes here. I love the bees and the flowers and the pencils. I think it's just such a pretty collection of stickers. We have the purple camera, we have the butterfly. I just love these. I think they're so gorgeous. Here's another one that I really like, and again, this is by American Crafts, but it's part of the We Are Memory Keepers line, and I just really love the color palette here. We have sort of muted shades. We have Southwest designs, mountains, we have floral, we have animals, and then we have a bunch of alphas in the back, sort of a wood-grained triangle here, and some little page flags that are really nice. I mean, it is just so nice to find name brand items at Dollar Tree. And here's some more stickers from Amy Tangerine via American Crafts. These are smaller. These are titled Remarks. And you could use them in your planners, in your different journals, in your memory journals, in your traveler's notebooks. These are really cute as well. Again, you guys know I'm in love with that green. And we just have a lot of stickers here. What I ate today, the routine, how I feel. It was so-so. Write this down. Really, really pretty. We basically have the same words on the front as we do on the back, but I really, really love the color palette here on the back. I know I have shared with you a lot, and these things, again, didn't just come from just my last couple trips. These things have been collected over the course of some months. Some of these items maybe even over the last year or two. But I do have some more stickers to share with you guys. I think this set is really cute too because we have some hollow ones and they're kind of scribbly or scratched in where they're not all the way complete. But I really like these. It says things like Friday, positive vibes, okay. Ooh la la, work, what, yes, blog. I just really, really like their stickers. And again, these are by Jot. And last but not least, I have this really cute pack of window decor or window decorations. These are peel and stick stickers. Now, I know a lot of you use these on friend mail packages. You might use them on your windows, or you might use them on picture frames or various things. But I thought it was just so cute. I really love the huge camera. This says, oh yeah, we have a really pretty metallic rainbow. I love the mixtape. We have the roller skate. That's so cute. Good vibes. Dollar Tree puts these out seasonally, and if you're lucky to find them, you definitely should get them because, like I said, they're so good for crafts and decorating packages or whatever you want to do with them. But they're super huge and the quality is really, really nice. Well, hey you guys, that's the end of yet another What to Buy at Dollar Tree. I hope you guys liked it. I loved filming this one for you because I was able to share some amazing finds that I had in my collection that I knew you guys would like too. Some of you have seen these items in the past. Some of you that are new to the Dollar Tree community, welcome. These are some of the things that you can expect to find at Dollar Tree if you visit there on a regular basis. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family. Hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.